So we'll say done. Notice I'm not at any of the positions now because I modified this position and we're not actually at that position. So again, we'll do the exact same process, shift forward. In the real world, this would create a crash. So this tool right here, this purple piece, would crash into this part. So you'd have to jog the robot up and then you'd have to move the robot, or you wouldn't necessarily have to move the robot over, but you have to at least jog the robot up before forwarding. Now I don't care because it's simulation software, so I can run right into the part if I want. So shift forward. Okay, this is another one that'll really help with any type of program things. Function, 1, abort all. So abort all basically means abandon what you was doing in a program because the program will lock onto particular positions. So since I already forwarded to this position before, so going back into the shift forward, I'm gonna shift forward. It came over here, a little bit too far. In RoboGuide, you can also use the shift key to turn on and off the shift. And also too, one thing that's really nice is see how the shift key, when I hold the shift key, it holds the shift button, so you don't accidentally leave it on. So that's kind of nice. So shift forward, I'm already at that position. I need to modify that position again. Position, modify. So I went too much, so we'll just say like negative 1925. So I just went from negative 1950 to negative 25. I gotta hit the done button, make sure to hit the done button. And then we're not at the position. And I already know just from experience, I need to go function, 1, abort all, because it's gonna do the same thing and not let me go to that position if I don't do that first. So I can click the shift button here, or I can click the shift button on my keyboard and then go forward. Boom, now we're at the position. That position looks fairly appropriate. We're still not at the position 100% because we're not inside the part. This little purple ring should be inside this part. One thing to keep in mind is now that we modified all these things right here, our approach position is not in the appropriate position.